Next question on not-for-profit organization. So a non-profit organization gives you the information on 31/3/2013. Please prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2013 and balance sheet as on 31/3/2013. So first of all, write what is your current year. Your current year is 12/13. So what will be your previous year and your next year? Previous year will be obviously 11/12. 11/12 will be your previous year, 12/13 current year, and 13/14 will be your next year. So this is a small question and we have been given only 3 adjustments: opening balance of cash in bank, locker rent, entrance fee, sale of old newspaper, receipts from drama, legacies 11,000, miscellaneous receipts. What is legacies? See, if a deceased wants that some money should be given to these not-for-profit organization, and after his death this amount is donated by his people to this organization, then this is legacy is added up in your capital, because it is a fund which will never be asked again, neither it is said to be used for any specific purpose. So a deceased, when wishes that this organization should get some revenue in form of donations, so legacies will be added to your capital fund. So mark on legacies. Now your miscellaneous receipts 800. Stationery, furniture purchased. Furniture purchased is your balance sheet item, write B. Buy books purchased. Okay, books is also assert. Remember that books is also assert, your balance sheet item. By expenses of drama. Here we had receipts of drama 7,850 and expenses of drama. So income of drama will be 7,850 minus 3,350. Remember that. Postage and telegram 250. Salaries 2,200. Newspaper expenses and closing balance of cash in bank, that is again your balance sheet item. Okay. Now the adjustment, 50% of entrance fee needs to be capitalized. So mark on entrance fee, 50% will be capitalized and 50% will be taken in your income and expenditure account. Capital fund on 1/4/2012 was 10,800. So opening capital fund has been given to you, that will come in the balance sheet. Had this not been given, you would have to prepare the opening balance sheet also. So balance sheet as on 31/3/13 and capital fund which is given to you, capital fund 10,800 in the inner column. Outstanding salary, so mark on salary, इसका adjustment है. Okay, now let's start. Opening balance of cash bank, nothing to do here in closing balance sheet as well as income and expenditure account. So proceed. Locker rent, locker rent as it is आपका receipts है, so that will be your income. Locker rent 500. Locker rent 500. Now this is done. Entrance fee clearly given in adjustment, 50% entrance fee to be capitalized. So only 50% will be your income for income and expenditure account. Write entrance fee. How much it is given? 1,900. So 1,900 divided by 2 is your income. That comes to 950, and the entrance fee to be capitalized is the remaining 950. So add in your capital entrance fee, add 950. This is also done. Sale of old newspaper without adjustment, so receipts, and this is my income. Sale of old newspaper, Sale of old newspaper 150. Receipts from drama, but we have to calculate income from drama. So your income from drama will be how much? 7,850 minus expenses of your drama 3350. So minus 3350, that comes up to 4,500. So mark 4,500 here. Now legacies. Legacies we know has to be always capitalized. Remember that किसी डिसीज्ड के डोनेशन है वो, उनकी डेथ के पीछे ये मिला है और उसको कैपिटल में ऐड करना है. सो ऐड लेगेसीज 11,000. This is also done. Miscellaneous receipts 800. So miscellaneous receipts 800 is there without any adjustments. We are finished with our receipt side. Now coming up to the capital side. See, use to and by for your debit side and credit side. Prefix with everything here. So stationery 500. So stationery without adjustment. So to stationery 500. Furniture purchased 5,000. Now furniture is a balance sheet item. So take it to the asset furniture. No depreciation has been given. So as it is 5,000. Books purchased 10,000. Books are also my asset. So books purchased 10,000. Books are also done. Expenses of drama already subtracted from income. Your receipts of drama. Postage and telegram 250. So to postage and telegram, how much? 250. So mark 250 there. Salaries 2,200. I have marked, so there is an adjustment in salaries. So in the inner column, 2 salaries 2,200. Now what is the adjustment? Outstanding salary, and in adjustment information is given for current year if nothing is specifically mentioned. So our formula is add outstanding and less prepaid. So add outstanding 300, add outstanding salary of current year 300. So the total comes to 2,500. And outstanding salary will always be my liability. So outstanding salary 300. Adjustment of salary also done. Newspaper. So expenses for newspaper 400. To newspaper 400. And now closing balance of your cash and bank will go to your balance sheet asset side. So cash 300, bank 11,000. So this is done. Now we will calculate our surplus or deficit. So income side total comes up to 6,900. 6,900 is your total, and total of these 4 items come to 3,650. So 6,900 minus 3,650, that comes to 3,250. 3,250 is your surplus. Excess of income over expenditure is called as surplus. You can write here excess of income over expenditure in brackets surplus. और सरप्लस को क्या करोगे? कैपिटल में ऐड करोगे. सो ऐड सरप्लस टू योर कैपिटल. ऐड सरप्लस 3,250. 10,800 was your capital fund, add 950, then legacies add 11,000, add 3250, comes up to 26,000. 26,000 plus 300 comes to 26,300 total. And here also 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 300 and 11,000 comes up to 26,300. So important points that you have to remember is, whenever a question is having legacies, in that case legacies should be added to your capital fund, and if entrance fee is specifically said, then divide it, and if there is any expense like and income also correspondingly, like receipts from drama and expenses from drama, then net of these and take the balance only in the outer column. So a simple question attempted. Let's go on to the next question.